Hello Flashback fans, welcome back to my long play of Flashback. So we are back on Earth. I've had to practice this bit because it's bloody hard. Well, I find it hard anyway. Right, so now we're back on Earth. There's all manner of people out to kill us, and there's the first one there. So now it's essential that we use the force field generator, and as you can imagine, I've already fucked this up multiple times. Come on, come on. Well, there we are. So that's a technique I should have been using before. Force field shoot, force field shoot, like that. Get ready. Take that, you swine. Okay, right, there's one of those little robot buggers down there, so we have to, the best way to do this is to just fall right on top of him, and he doesn't know what to do. Then we can come turn around and blow his brains out. Trouble is, if you fall off there or just drop down, he's so sluggish at getting back to his feet that you just get hit. Right, shit goes down here. Fucker. Bloody things are zapping my force field generator. Okay. God, I hate those ball things. Do you like that? Do you like that? Okay, right, up here there's a shield thingamajogger. Let's get that zapped in. Jolly good. Okay, now we're cooking. You just can't, it doesn't generate the shield quick enough sometimes. Oh, it could be my, yeah, check this out, right? I've been practicing my combat. Watch this. Roll, gun out. Didn't really get the, let's do that again so you can appreciate how amazing it is. Run, roll, gun out. Oh yeah. Right, up you get. Getting a bit cocky now. Shit. There's two of them, so even if you do generate a shield, they'll go through it. Nice work, comrade. That's one then. Look at that, hiding behind there. Little bastard. Right, I don't think there's anything around here. Up here. Nope. Yeah, so Earth is pretty densely populated. Lovely. Shit hell, what's the matter with me? Oh great, he's gone. Flawless. Big mistake, mate. Where's the other one gone? Oh, great. I did this a bit better just now when I was practicing. Bloomin' rubbish. Can't get over here, can you? No. Swine. Okay, Right, there's some people there just loitering. This is the first time I was just thinking that there's not a bit of animation to suggest a populated area, so they're just frozen there, but we'll forgive them for that. Okay, taxi station. This is as far as I've got, and I ended by jumping off there, which you don't do. So let's call a taxi. Bloody hell, that was quick. Right. Yeah, I like it. Cheers, mate. Save point, thank God. Wait a minute, how did we pay for that taxi? We haven't got any money. Or have we? Or maybe we did. Right. Let's get the old doodad out. Do we need to go up there? Probably not. Gonna die here, I think. Yeah. Come on! Paradise. Is this a nightclub, a bar, or a something a bit dodgier? Who knows? How the hell do I get? How the? Okay, looks like I do have to go there. Really? Okay. Don't mind me. Oh my crikey. Right, run and jump. Yes, okay. Oh my goodness, just shot through that. Okay. That's how you do it. I'll leave that marble there. Oh, come on, I pressed the gun to come out. Fucking crap. Oh, shit. God, I need to recharge my shield. Key lock. We haven't got a key, have we? No. Am I supposed to have had a key by now? No, it's probably down here. Okay. Conrad, you are a bloody idiot. Is that him dead? I bet he in. I bet he in. Hello. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's gone up there. Right. So I had to redo that about 20 more times. Lovely. Right, let's roll in and roll back out. That's the way to do it. Draw him out. So one more. Here we go. Oh shit. Come on then. Oh my god, it's one of them. Okay. I just noticed it says stage over there, so well, what the hell's gonna happen now? I'm not redoing this again. Okay, what have we got here? Bar, there's a bar here. Right, I'll tell you what, let's get ready to roll in there. Okay, this looks nice. Oh god, it's one of them. Oh, there's a recharge up there. Oh my goodness. Alright, where's Matey? Need to make that recharge. Haha! Oh my god. What was that? There's a bloody gun around here. Where is it? Where's that coming from? Ah, it's there. Okay. Oh, yes, oh my goodness. I mean, I should have just restarted the whole thing and just done it with full shield, but I wanted the challenge, I suppose, but it's just taken about 10 years off me, that's all. Maybe more. Right, now I'm going to be a total maverick. Alright, let's go down here. Good. Good. Roll. Splendid. Splendid! Right, so I guess we use... One day I'll press the right bastard button. Right, hopefully that's turned off the... For God's sake, John, what is the matter with you? Blooming. Oh. Yes, okay, took that away. Good. Key lock. Right, I've got a key now. Good. Hallelujah. Right, get ready. Oh, we've got to go down. Okay, go out. Right, lovely. Kind of wish I had redone it now because I've made a pig's ear of this. Wait a sec, I might have been the door then. No, it wasn't a parcel. I'm hearing things. Oh dear. Right, okay. Did I save it? Yeah, I think I did. Oh, imagine if I didn't. Right. Where do we go now? Well, I'll be darned. Huh. Haha. Secret. Of course. Down you go. Aha. Where do you go? What on earth is this place? See, I don't even know how, story-wise, I mean, we've gone back to Earth, but how come we're in this? Oh, this must be something to do with a conspiracy, perhaps. That's a bloody key lock. Okay. Climbing. I'll tell you, Conrad, you've got a death wish. Doesn't help that you've got a total idiot controlling you. What's that little thing down there? My goodness. I take it we've got a... How the hell do we... Oh my goodness. I've got a match here. Okay. Have to time it. Timed to perfection. Done that. Ah, I see. So that little critter was setting off the laser. Brilliant. I mean, if the fate of the world depends upon me, it's pretty depressing, isn't it? Aha! Okay, there's the card we need. Trapdoor open then above us. Light's not working, okay. Oh no. Oh, lucky. Okay. Oh shit. Let's do a jump over there. Let's not die, John. Good. Good man. If this opens a trapdoor, I'm dead. I bet it does. Oh. Aha. Lots of secrets here. Lovely. Let's just go back this way just in case. Okay. Careful now. Good. Lovely jubbly. Here we go. Right, key. We've got a key now. In you go. Good. Okay. Yes, recharge. Lovely, lovely. Devious. Down. Ooh. Good. Okay, recharge the old shield. Get the force field back. And let's get down to business. It's like a layer, isn't it? Okay. It's quite a big area. That's a trapdoor there. Somehow I didn't die then. Shit, we need that save point. Okay. What's this? Okay. Comics. Comics? What's that? Okay. Right, so we need to... I don't know. Bloody hell. Okay, right. Okay, I don't think that's going to work, so we'll have to go down here. Nothing else to do, really. Okay. Okay, there's a laser there, so those touch plates are going to set that off. Need to be standing in just the right place, I think. Let's try that. It's not enough, is it? Oh, fuck. Waste of fucking time. Kill me, go on, you bastard. Although I haven't saved it, shit. Get it. Just remembered how to do this. Well, just realised how to do it. We need to run like a bastard. See? Works every time. Fuck me. Okay, I died, so I had to redo the whole thing again. Good fun. Somehow, right, okay, let's try it again. Quick. Ooh. Okay, we're getting somewhere, kind of. Right. Jump, yes, swine, lovely. Okay, key, good. Right, so I'm thinking we go back up because there was that. Yeah, there was that gas leaking at the top, which I don't think we've turned off yet. Right, so we can just put it in there, I guess. Good. I think that over there, the recharge and save point, is the red herring. I can't. I'll try one more time, but the trap. Fuck's sake! The trapdoors keep opening. Yeah, that fire, that gas is still there. Yeah, you can't. That's a red herring, I'd say. Okay, right. Onwards. Although it's slightly disturbing that I haven't been able to save it. Shit. There you go. Right, we know what's going to happen here, don't we? Oh, shit. Right, let's do a run and jump. Oh my god, he's up. What? I don't know what happened there. Do you like it? Good. Oh my god. Shit. God, he's a rock hard one. Shit, he's fast. God, they're not messing about on this level. Oh. And I still haven't saved it. Just to warn you, if I do die and I've got to reload it, I will probably destroy the computer. Right, mine. Okay. Let's go see if there's someone up here. Doesn't look like it. No. Okay. Okay, lovely. Oh my Christ. Oh my god. I can't do it. Right, fuck that. Okay, we're back here. I had to redo everything again. Lovely. But I found a way into that last save point. But anyway, so I won't have to go back as far if I fuck it up again, which I will. How did... Hey! How didn't that trigger? Okay, I won't complain there. Oh my god. Oh shit! Fuck! Okay, try again. Jump. Right, so... Okay, now I've got their measure. Christ! Ooh. Oops, a reunion. Brothers, I congratulate you. Thanks to our knowledge, the humans are now capable of producing the power which we need. Crikey. Soon millions of our brother warriors will be teleported and we will wipe out this human vermin. Oh, comrade, like thousands of others before it, we'll stop the Dominion and in a few hours our victory will be... Ah! What the... Why is it going so fast? What is this? A spy. Throw the wrench into the dungeons. Wretch into the dungeons. We'll interrogate him later. Aha! Oh my god. Okay, Chip. Sweet. We are on the next level. That took fucking ages. This isn't a very nice form of interrogation. They're just killing me. Anyway, next video I'll be battling through this hellhole. Until then, thanks for watching and cheerio.